Now, all the time, it is not possible to represent the situation with only two branches. So far, whatever Java program you have written, there are only two branches. That is, if some condition over here, if that condition holds true, then it executes all the programs over here. Otherwise, if that condition holds false, then it will execute all the instruction inside this else. So the program is based on this condition is basically selecting between two different branches in here, either one or two, either branch 1 or branch 2. Now, sometimes it is not possible to represent the situation using only two branches. For example, again consider the real world situation in the right hand side of the slide. Here, let's say you are driving and this time in the road you came to a junction where there are three different options. In the left, in the right, you can go to the forest. If you want to go to the city, you can go left. Now, how can you go to the village? Let's say there is three different situations. Right means forest, left means city, and straight means village. So these type of scenarios are pretty common, right? In Java program also, it is possible to select one code sequences or one instruction sequences among many different. And if you want to introduce more branches, that is more than two branches in your Java program, you have to use else if in your program. In between an if and an else statement, there can be any number of else if statement to introduce more branches in the program. Each else if statement actually negates the if condition before and introduce another new condition, just like in here. Here the meaning of else if statement is this else means string not equals city and then another if. String is not equals city, that's okay, but if string equals village, then go straight. And finally the else condition, which is like otherwise. You can go to right like this. So here the entire program means if the value of string equals to city, then go left, or at least print go left. Then this else if statement, which means the value of string is not equals city, but the value of string equals to village. In that case, print goes straight. Otherwise, for all the other different cases, you can print go right. So that's the explanation of this Java code where I have introduced another branch in the program. In the next video, I am going to clarify it through a Java demo program.